WISEST stands for Women in Scholarship, Engineering, Science and Technology, and it's an organization that was created back in 1982. It starts at a young age, girls who are 11, 12 years old, but it goes all the way through to women who are practicing and working in their careers.
We want to push them past just that having fun with science to really having students think about what their career could look like, what their education could look like, and getting them to think bigger questions. What we stand for and what we work towards is to understand the barriers that exist for underrepresented groups to find their path in a STEM education and STEM careers. One of the big barriers is the intimidation factor that university holds for people. So by bringing them to campus, introducing them to undergrad, grad students, faculty through hands-on experience activities, all of a sudden these students get to see themselves maybe a few years down the road and say, that could be me.